Hello, my name is Meredith Sanders, and this is Lab 4 for Bio 2440, which is Intro to Cell. This is just kind of a discussion and an explanation about my protein, which is the porn protein, and just kind of like the journal articles and references that I'm going to be using in order to do this whole paper. So, like I said, I had the porn protein. And upon researching what even the porn protein is, I stumbled on a pretty helpful website, and the website has the article that's displayed now. I'll have a picture of it before and after of my references so you can see it better and clearer. But the website's called encyclopedia.com, and this article's called just porn. And I found out actually though that even though there's this article, this article is referencing a book, and the book's name is World of Microbiology and Immunology, which is the first edition by BIOL, and it was edited by Kaylee Lerner in 2003. So I was like, okay, good. This is based on a book. I can use the book as a reference, and I can use this website as a reference also. But then of course I need to make sure that this was valid and that it was credible and that I could reference it. It wasn't just like a Wikipedia type thing. So I went to the About section on this website, and I found out that encyclopedia.com is actually a collection of encyclopedias online from sources like Oxford University Press and Columbia Encyclopedia. So those are obviously credible, and we trust those. They're kind of well known. So I was like, okay, I felt a little better about these for sure. And this website, encyclopedia.com, also offers things like pictures, video summaries, topic summaries, newspapers, and like magazine articles. There's like a lot of good check marks and stuff. And then I also wanted to make sure that it was being updated, and like this wasn't from like 2018 or something, because it's currently 2020. And the last update for this article was January 19th, 2020, and it's currently it's February 11th. And so I was like, okay, they're not behind in it, and every time you go in, they say that they update it, and they're really on their ball with it. So I felt comfortable using this as a starting point for my paper, but I knew that this wasn't going to be enough. It's a whole research paper. So in addition to getting information about this and being like, okay, this is a source I want to use, and plus the fact that they're referencing an actual book which I feel comfortable with and I'm going to use. I also went to the Sam Houston library, and Sam Houston offers a way for you to be able to look up journal articles and all these credible sources and research things for you to use. And so I went on there and just typed in my porn protein, and a lot of options came up, and I realized that porn protein is heavily, every time people reference it, it's involved in things like growing yeast and things like E. coli. And so I think I'm going to use the encyclopedia.com for the information of the background of porn proteins and such like that, but I'm going to use journal articles like from Sam Houston's library sources. They're academic journals, because these are actual academic journals. I'm going to use these to explain the porn proteins functions and how we're using it in research and in data today.